Hi everybody, welcome to ZEROYON. Something different on the channel today. Today I'm filming from the East Riding Rally stages here at the ceremonial start here in Beverley Town Centre. I'm not going to make this intro any longer than it needs to be. Enjoy the video, enjoy the cars, and let me know what you think at the end. So that wraps up my video of the East Riding Stages rally with some pretty unique footage, I'd like to think, some unique perspectives, and of course it's always nice to see the cars being driven in anger. The cars are now pretty much back in the square, so I'm going to wrap up the video and head off home. Hopefully you enjoyed my coverage of the East Riding Stages Rally 2024. Of course, if you did enjoy it, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, see you again soon.